Hi, I'm Laura from YoungWritersWorkshops.com, and I want to talk about how to teach peer review in the writing classroom. If you're using a writer's workshop approach, it's built in. Peer review is a part of a writer's workshop process, and the core idea behind writer's workshop is that all of us in this workshop are writers. So, in a sense, we're all on the same level. We can all give feedback to each other and learn from each other as well, from each other's writing. So the peer review process is part of that model. Now, that being said, you do need to teach what the process is for a peer review and begin from the using that idea that we're all writers. We all can see something good in someone else's work. So the first step in a peer review is to recognize something that you liked, something that really jumped out to you, what was a positive part of that writing. Even if it's very weak, there is always something positive that you can see in it, and to call that out specifically is the first step in a peer review. Next, the writer will ask their peer some specific questions before they read, so that the reader can respond to some of the specific questions that the writer had, and that helps to guide the review so that the writer gets what they need from it. Then next, the reader may ask specific questions. I wanted to know more about this. I wondered about that. And that's another open-ended question that you can give to your students as part of their guideline on how to do a peer review. And then they can the writer can ask more follow-up questions on the feedback that they've gotten from the reader. Giving your students this format to follow will really help them to have an effective peer review. Both the reader and the writer will learn from each other, and it'll help the whole writing workshop model to thrive in your classroom if your students can do a good peer review.